A painting in the series that I called Lotus, a journey through the tension between opposites, decay and renewal, silence and voice, fear and surrender. Each painting reveals a moment in which the soul meets itself again, fragile yet fierce, constantly transforming, bound to the quiet mystery of becoming. Here, light does not defeat shadow, it learns to rest within it. Every image whispers of balance, where what seems divided is, in truth, one. In this painting, a face rests in a hand, dark and light without names, no opposition, no hierarchy, just skin against skin, born of the same origin. The colors speak not of value, but of depth and presence. What we call white is only light that lingers. What we call black is space, vast enough for all things. Between them, no border, only breath, where meaning shifts and judgment dissolves into silence. Language shapes what we believe. When we name black as absence and white as virtue, we mirror the blindness we claim to resist. Let us speak with awareness. Our words can heal or divide.